Welcome, bare floor tool airflow enthusiasts. This should be part 3 of 3, and I think this represents all the bare floor tools that I have. So if you want to see some other ones, feel free to check out parts 1 and 2, but this should be the final remaining part, unless sometime at a later date I somehow get more of them in for testing. So as you can see in the back there, we have Kirby Availr, Dyson DC14, and that SEBO K2 Volcano. The SEBO was a very generous donation, and I guess in reverse order here, sitting on the airflow box, here's the SEBO tool. Let's take a look at that real close. So big long strip, open here, really pretty simple. Nothing to adjust. So just pretty simple bare floor tool. And take a look at the Availr floor tool. And let's compare, I have the G4 tool here. Let's look at the differences between the two. Let's see if I can fit them into the shot like this. There we go. So take a look at that. So a very early bare floor tool and a very recent bare floor tool down here. So you have this nice little fuzzy strip here that goes all the way across. And this one, when I first got it, I thought maybe it was broken because there isn't any little fuzzy strip right here in the middle. It's missing. Look at the opening right here. Huge, wider mouth, almost kind of like maybe it's smiling at you. And this is just kind of the same distance, very consistently open all the way across the width. Also, this is a metal plate, and this is a plastic one. Also, let's see, got an opening here. So we have a lot of differences between these two. So something from, say, the early 90s, something from, say, I don't know, mid-2010s-ish or so. Really interesting. Wonder how this is going to fare. And this is kind of unusual. The tool for the Dyson DC14. Look at that. So this does have an adjustment. So I'll have it in the proper bare floor position, because you put it in the other position, it just kind of sucks down to everything like glue. As normal for this test, the correct amount of, say, tubes will be used and/or fresh bags where appropriate. Next, the Dyson. I had to move the camera because the nozzle was, well, pretty wide. So this is going to be set like this. think that's a pretty good showing for that particular tool, considering it's hooked up to, you know, such an old DC14. So really nice job. All right, last, the SEBO. So those appear to be some really nice numbers from this parquet tool. Oh good, so now I can finally be done with this and tear this down. A lot of tape everywhere. Ready for something else. At some point, since I've done 11 of these bare floor tools, maybe I should have like a best out of 11 kind of video, something like that. Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. But for now, let's sum up these three. On the left, the Kirby Availr floor tool. 34.5 CFM on the edge. In the center, almost 43.8 CFM. So did surprisingly well, this DC14 tool, 27.7 edge CFM. In the center, 43 dead even CFM. Last but not least, the SEBO Airbelt K2 parquet tool, 22 CFM on the edge and 46.8, almost 47 CFM in the center. So that was kind of surprising. So awards for this round: the highest edge airflow goes to the Kirby Availr. The highest center airflow goes to the SEBO parquet tool. Pretty surprising. The most even, that is consistent airflow, again, the Kirby Availr coming in at 79%. I just take the edge airflow and then divide it by the center airflow, got 79% rounded. The most uneven or inconsistent airflow is the SEBO Airbelt K2. So that one was over a 2-to-1 difference between center to edge. So very inconsistent cleaning performance. All right, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.